In this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to turn your plain Ikea plates into something a bit more decorative. Step 1, apply your masking tape because you want to mask off one area of the plate. As you do it, press down very firmly because you don't want any bumps. You want to be able to get the paint on just so. Pour your ceramic paint onto a Tupperware lid and take a piece of sponge. I've cut a piece of car sponge, dip it into the paint and then start applying it to your plate. To create depth of colour, you need to add lots of different layers and you keep applying them. Once it's dry, you can then remove the masking tape. This is the reveal. Da -da 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 -da. See that nice straight line? If you want to make it permanent, bake in the oven for 35 minutes at 150 degrees. For this plate, I'm going to draw using Sharpies, but you could use ceramic pens. I'm going to start by just colouring in the cheeks. So that's just a circle and another circle. And what you do is you leave it to dry before you start adding anything else on top. Add on your details once the first colour is dry, and take inspiration from Picasso faces, the man in the moon, anything that you like. Once you've finished your design, bake it in a domestic oven for 35 minutes at 150 degrees. The third technique is using ceramic paints, painting on a very simple pattern, very much like you would have done in primary school with dots and lines and things. Make sure you bake it in the oven to fix it, and there you have it, a simple design.